Look at this. Actually, so this still strong right here. No rush, still strong. We're gonna put a big metal here, all to here, and then we're gonna weld this side. This is still good. See, still good. Still strong right there. Put the metal right there. Weld this. This one all rush. No, this one's all rush, but I'm gonna weld this from this side. Comes out from here, right there. See, we're gonna make a template for this one, okay? Phew, I think I can save this one. Let's see. Make a template for this one, right? It's supposed to go like this. Okay, everything lines up. So we gotta need a big metal, but I don't have a big metal, so I do just cut the 4 piece of metal. I'm gonna weld this one, okay? This metal. Gotta make kind of like this, similar like this. Cut from there. There's a metal one. Okay, that's all I gotta do. Clean it up. Oh, long way to go, man. Let's see. Just make it. There we go. Okay. This side is stronger, right? This one need to weld something. Let's see. Let's see, man. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's start to weld it, okay? I think this is super strong right now. Right there. It is totally different, right? Let's see. Okay, clean it up and paint it. Paint with the black one. That's it.